I'd have to say it was David's level of business acumen and his knowledge of Visual Fox Pro and the ability to interpret our code and come up with solutions, because the code that we had was up to 15 years old and it was in some ways convoluted and so forth, but your staff was able to interpret that and then bring that forward into C# solutions, so it worked out well. In essence, we were pushing Visual Fox Pro to the nth degree, and we were processing as many as 9,000 orders a month, and we had to split it up into different databases because it couldn't handle the throughput in one, and so that made it more complicated and harder to work with. We're able to do more with the same staff. The company has grown considerably, and so we're able to keep up with that growth. Jake and myself constantly had to, in essence, tweak the old system to keep it running, and now we are not tied to it the way we were at that before. I mean, before we were doing it 24/7 pretty much between the two of us. Well, Simplex now has the ability for the users to get at most of the setups that it required to set up a new customer, and so the users are more empowered than they used to be, because Jake and I had to do most of the configuration directly in the tables, and the users didn't have an interface to be able to do that. So it's been a huge improvement in the functionality for the users. The customers can come in to the application. They have dashboards that allow them to see the orders that they want to look up, to manage their overall body of orders. They can also pull copies of order statuses out of the system into a spreadsheet on their own, but it really presents itself well when they go out and demo it to a customer, and so it makes Simplex and Lodeso look sophisticated and user-friendly, and we tend to get feedback that they feel that the system is user-friendly. And so recently we have taken on Overstock, and they're impressed with our ability to communicate what their order status is, and also they are making some requests for modifications of screen presentations and functionality, which Jake is able to get at and work through pretty easily within the framework of Simplex.